Over the past 3 years at Shipyard, we've built hundreds of open source, low code blueprints to help our customers connect their tools and ship data anywhere in under 5 minutes. Many of our blueprints help customers trigger refreshes and syncs across the tools that exist in their data stack. They ingest data by kicking off Fivetran jobs. Then, they transform their data by running dbt cloud jobs. Once those models finish, they then push their data to other tools using Hightouch syncs, or they refresh their Tableau dashboards. While the tools at every step might differ, the gist of the workflow always stays the same. Every step of the data lifecycle has to wait to run until the previous job finishes successfully. Sometimes, these jobs can take a really long time to complete. When you start out, things might only take about 15 minutes per tool, but months down the road, you might be looking at hours for each step to complete. When you use third-party systems to ingest and transform your data, sometimes you're just at their mercy. As an orchestration platform that charges on runtime, we realized early on it didn't make sense to charge you for that time, that we're just sitting around and waiting for some other tool to finish running. So we came up with our best solution. We let teams split out the execution of a job and the act of checking on a job status. Checking the job status only took a few seconds. Any time spent waiting to retry a check never actually counted against you. While this reduced the runtime for a lot of our customers, it also increased the complexity of setting up basic data workflows. Customers now had to set up 2 steps to get the job done, and now had to answer questions like, how long do I wait between retries? Or how many retries should I actually attempt? Our goal has always been to make it fast, easy, and cost-efficient for teams to deploy their data workflows. We realized that our current solution still wasn't good enough. Now, we have an even better solution. Today, I'm excited to announce that all of Shipyard's blueprints with Trigger in the name will be 100% free. We've revamped these blueprints to both execute a job and wait until the job finishes. This means that these blueprints can now be set up with less clicks, they'll finish quicker, and whether the job takes the external tool 15 minutes or 2 hours to complete, you'll never be charged for any of that runtime. Going forward, when we build blueprints that are just triggering an external tool and waiting for it to complete, it's our commitment to continue building these to run free of charge. For all other blueprints that move or manipulate data, those will continue accumulating runtime as normal. This update makes it a no-brainer to use Shipyard to orchestrate and connect tools in just a few minutes, free of charge. If you're currently wrangling multiple data tools and just want to make sure that they run in the right order with logging, alerts, and observability, give Shipyard a try. We know that once you experience the power of low-code orchestration, you'll start discovering more ways for your organization to automate and action on your data. If there's any tool that you want us to build connections for, let us know in the comments below. We're excited to see how this update helps data teams optimize their data orchestration.